Yo, Gabbie, you know what the Maori Indians say? Every time you limbo under a ladder, an angel gets his wings.
Okay. I don't know what we're supposed to be doing. The reason that black cats is unlucky, grammar.
I love to break things.
Is because there was once a guy dressed in a cat suit. Have you ever seen Sabrina the Teenage Witch? It's kind of like that. I'm aging myself as if I'm like 40 years old. So that's why black cats are unlucky. Boop, boop, boop.
If you get an email saying that you need to send said email to a chain group of people and you don't, you're screwed for the rest of your life.
Why is it unlucky to break mirrors? One time I broke a mirror when I was a kid. I stubbed my toe yesterday morning, and I'm almost positive that it was because I broke that mirror.
Some say love, it is a river, cinnamon toast crunch.
I've nothing.
You know, 3500 BC, the Sumerians were the first people to throw salt over their backs.
Well, as we all know, anything before BC didn't actually happen. BC stands for before
Cat.
I feel like today's the day you're both wondering why you hired us. Oh my God, you know what it is? The reason we're having so much trouble with this is because we're like cursed. We did all this stuff. Oh, hey.
All right.
Damn it, Mikey. And now our funny is gone. I knew something was gonna happen. Oh my God, I'm gonna jump off.
What the? How did she even get up there then?
Gotta go on top of the ladder. But first, make sure you empty your bladder.
It's Gabbie.
What's up, little kitty cat?
Gabbie,
Good and black. Hey guys, wait, can you help me down real quick? Guys, Mikey, kitty cat. Hey, where's everyone going? Wait, are you for real? Guys, we already did the dark episode. Is this a jokey? My guy!
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to ANXT for new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. It's going down. Make sure to comment down below your craziest fears because we want to know what they are. I'm Mikey, and I'll see you next time.